All right, welcome back. We're going to do another problem dealing with the distance formula. Deals with collinear points. And the question asks, are the points A given by 5, negative 5, B given by 16, comma 1, and C given by 3, comma 3, collinear. Okay, so let's go ahead and decide. Let's take a look. I'm going to draw the picture, and then you're going to see how you can determine it without drawing the picture. Okay, so A is 5, comma negative 5. B is 16, comma 1. Yep, can't do that. So 5. Make sure I got this right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, comma 1. And C is 3, comma 3. So, as we look here, you can definitely tell that they are not collinear, right? Okay, that seems all well and good, but we probably want a way to do this so that we don't have to decide. Like, let's say we had to run a computer program or a way to find algorithmically whether it was true or not. So the way that we're going to do that is we're going to find all the distances. Okay, so there's actually going to be 3 distances. And if collinear, the 2 smaller distances add to the longest. Okay? Let's say added. Are equal to the longest. Okay, so let's find these distances. Okay. This is also good practice for using the distance formula without having to actually do the formula. I'm not really a fan of using the formula directly as it is. I'm a fan of just understanding it. So, AB, that's going to be the square root. Now, we have to ask ourselves, what's the difference between 5 and 16? 5 and 16, if you think about them on a number line, those are 11 apart, right? So 11 squared is the first part of our distance formula. How about the distance between negative 5 and 1? Well, negative 5 to 1, those are 6 apart. Okay. Made that line ridiculously long. Okay, so that's going to be the square root of 121 plus 36, the square root of 157. Okay, let's take a look at AC. Okay, Again, what's the difference between 5 and 3? 5 and 3 on the number line, those are just 2 apart. So the first term, it becomes a 2 squared plus, now, negative 5 and 3. How far apart are they? Those are actually 8 apart, right? Negative 5 and 3 are actually 8 apart. That's this 8 in that direction. So that's going to be the square root of 64 plus 4, the square root of 68. I should have probably wrote that as 4 plus 64. Sorry about that. Now let's find the value of BC. So that's going to be the distance from B to C. Okay. 3 and 16, how far apart are they? Those are 13 apart. Three and 1, how far apart are they? Those are 2 apart. So 13 squared is 169. 2 squared is 4. So that's the square root of 173. Now, which one's the longest? This one's the longest. Square root of 157 plus the square root of 68 is not equal to the square root of 173. So the points are not collinear. Okay. All right, that's it for this one. Back in the next video.